Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my summer bucket list with you guys because I do this video pretty much every single year. But this year I thought I would make it more interesting and actually show you guys a time lapse of me making my bucket list. And then at the very end, I will tell you guys exactly what's on my summer bucket list. It's kind of early, it's only May 16th and I don't end school until like June 20 something I think. But honestly, I mean it's only a month and time flies while we're in quarantine. Normally I do a poster, but I feel like that's just too bulky and like I'm going to be using my trusty dusty bullet journal that I use for literally everything. So I'm going to pick a page, do my bucket list, and yeah. I really have no idea what page I'm going to start on yet, but I mean I guess I can just like pick a random page and hope that it falls somewhere in the summer spread. Anyways, I don't want to drag this on too much, but if you guys like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe below as well as follow my Instagram. I feel like I never plugged my Instagram, but go follow me at StephOliverYT. I would really appreciate it. Let's get started. We have all of our essentials. We have my laptop, my mild liner pens, my brush pens, and my fine tip pens. So I'm pretty sure we have enough supplies to get started. So I'm just gonna do what comes to my head first, and then I'm gonna use my laptop to find some more ideas. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start with our little header. Thank you to Reagan for all the new mild liners. Kind of looks kind of good, kind of looks kind of crusty, but I kind of like the like handmade like summer vibe that's going on there. Okay, this is what I have so far. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things, and I feel like this is boring to watch, so I'm just gonna skip to the end when I'm done with my bucket list, and then I'll share with you guys what I have. Okay, I'm basically done with my summer bucket list. I kind of want to add a few more things, but at the same time, like, nah. Oh wait, I just thought of another idea. Okay, I think we're done. I don't want to add too many things, but at the same time, like I want to keep adding because like I want it to be the whole page, but at the same time, like do I care? No. I have these stickers from my Happy Planner back in the day, if you know, you know. And there's some like summer stickers and stuff, and I've wanted to kind of just like use up this book because like I'm not getting a Happy Planner anytime soon. So I'd rather just like use up these stickers and not waste them. I thought I would just like put some stickers on like unironically. Hello. What type? Regular or chickpea? And then what shape? I'll take a little. Okay, so I just finished my summer bucket list, and now I'm gonna share it with you guys. So I'm gonna set up my tripod and I'll show you guys what is on here. Oh my god, that's so pretty. We love. Wow. Arriving. My brother decided right now would be the perfect time to get in the shower, so I'm so sorry if you guys hear that. Also, another disclaimer, don't mind my wall. I had a mental breakdown the other day and I was like, you know what? We're gonna rip off my wall. I need a new personality. So I just like went at it and just like ripped everything off. And then I was like, not the best idea because I hated it. And then I decided I have some small pictures, so I hung up the small pictures and now I kind of love it, but it's not the best for video background. My other wall is definitely better. Anyways, back to the video. The first thing on my bucket list is to hit 10,000 subscribers. I love how YouTube was the first thing I think about because it's literally my entire life. But I think it'd be so fun to hit 10,000 subscribers. I definitely think I can do it if I continue to upload consistently. If that can happen, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Adding on to that, I kind of want to buy a G7 Next. I've been thinking about it a lot lately, and last night I was really about to bite the bullet and just buy one, but then I realized that it would not be in my best interest to spend $600 on a camera that I don't like need, like I just want it, but I think I'm gonna buy it like maybe like mid to end of June or maybe even July because I just want to save up a little bit more money so I'm not broke. Also, I don't even know if I'm working this summer because like if pools aren't open, then like really I can't work. I also just want to drive around and just jam out one night. I got a car yesterday actually. I love it to death. Car tour coming soon, baby, like y'all already know. So I just want to like drive around and jam out one night with like all my friends. I think that'd be so much fun. I also want to have a throwdown. If you guys don't know what that means, I think it's like a thing that means like a party, but like me and my friends, like we don't go to parties. So like I have parties in my own house, which just like our friend group. I have like a relatively big friend group, so like some might call it a small party, but to me it's just like a throwdown, like a little hangout. So I want to have one of those because my dad literally tells me every day, he's like, Steph, like I miss your friends coming over, like invite them over again, like for a sleepover, like blah blah blah, because we have so much fun and like you can't beat that. I also just want to have a photo shoot. I really need to get on my Instagram grind. I've been saying that for like the last like million years, but I really just need to upload more consistently on YouTube. Whoa. I really just need to post pictures more consistently on Instagram because I definitely don't do that and that's definitely not good. Then I just want to go to the beach. This seems super easy because the beach is literally like an hour away from me, but I really don't go to the beach as often as you guys might think I do. I'm pretty sure the beaches are open, so I could really just go like tomorrow if I wanted to, but I just want to go to the beach because I mean summer vibes. Then I want to have a bonfire. A whole bunch of my friends have like little bonfire, what are they called? If they're not like machines, just like a little fire pit. Just like listen to music, just like a nice like summer night vibe. Then I want to pull an all-nighter. I was gonna do this over my spring break, but then I chickened out and I'm just always tired, so like that really just is not in my best interest. But you know, in the summer, I'm gonna be getting hella sleep, no stress, no schoolwork, so knock on wood. Oh my god, where's wood? Bed. Hopefully I can get enough energy to pull an all-nighter because I really just want to do that once in life. Like I'm literally 17 and I have not ever done that. Not proud of it. I say this next one every summer, but I just want to like make some more friendship bracelets. Lauren Yeager, if you want to make me some, like feel free for free because I'm cheap. Okay, bye. Then kind of going back to like the throwdowns. Like the throwdowns are always sleepovers. I want to have like a 2-day sleepover like in a row. Like one could probably be at my house and then maybe one at someone else's house. Cause I mean I love my friends and like why not. Next I want to have a big barbecue with my friends. My dad is an excellent griller. He makes good food and I feel like it'd just be fun to like have a barbecue, like some hamburgers, some hot dogs, some like salad, some like salsa. Like I have like all the plans in my mind, like watermelon, like all this stuff. I think it'd be super cute because like I have like a pretty decent sized deck. Like it's not big but it's not small. So I feel like I could probably have like a barbecue with like some of my friends. Then the next 2 on my list are just to read 2 books because I realized that I actually love reading. I just read the best book ever. It's called Every Last Word by someone. I don't know. I'll put the picture of the book on the screen. It was literally such a good book. It's about like OCD and like mental illness and like stuff like that, and it's just so good. And so I just ordered Call Me By Your Name. Gonna be reading that soon. So I just want to read 2 books. And then I also just want to watch the sunrise. I feel like I never watched sunrises. I haven't watched a sunrise in like 2 years. So I feel like I should like wake up early one day, like go drive to like a little like view and just like watch the sunrise like in my PJs, like big blankets and all, like hoodie, a vibe. Wow, that's got like chills. Adding on to that, I just want to watch the sunset. That's kind of more common because I feel like the sunset, like you see that every night, like okay, get over it. But like I really just want to sit down and just like look at the sun and be like, wow, that's a thing. This is Earth. Then I want to do a 7-Eleven run. People in my grade do this like kind of sometimes. You basically post on your Snapchat story and you're like, screenshot this if you want a Slurpee. Then you ask what flavor and then you just like bring a free Slurpee to their house. I think that'd be so much fun because I love giving back to people. And I mean, if I had more money, I'd like buy my friends like everything because I love them, but I don't. So I can give them Slurpees because those are like $5. I also wanted to like drop off some like fun notes to my friends. Again, I love my friends so much. So I feel like it'd be super fun just to like write them like a long ass note, decorate the envelope super cute, just like drop it in their mailbox, like maybe with like some fun treats and just be like, check your mailbox. I was gonna do that the other day, but then I remembered I don't have my license and my parents work, so like that's just not an option for me. That is it for page 1 and now we're on to page 2. First thing on page 2 is to go on a hike. There's like a super nice park near my house. It's just so much fun, like picnics, hiking. I'm here. This next one is super kind of random, but I really want to have a game night. This could be like one of our throwdowns, honestly, like a little family game night. My friends just come over, we bring a whole bunch of games, we're like sprawled out all over the floor, like there's like Monopoly going, like Guess Who, like Life, Cards Against Humanity, like literally just all the games going, and like we just like sit there the whole night and just like play games. I also just want to paint something. Over quarantine, I've been doing a lot of like arts and crafts and like a lot of creativity type of things. So I just want to paint something, which I know I'm going to do, so I'm not really stressed about that one. And then this kind of goes on like the hikes. I told you guys like we hike and then we have a picnic. I just want to have a picnic. It could literally be in my front yard. I just want to have like a super vibey like picnic where we sit on like tapestries and have like little tiny like PB&J. I don't like PB&J, but that's besides the point. And I want to go thrifting. I said this last summer and I haven't been thrifting in over 2 years, since literally like freshman year. So I think it would be nice to like go thrifting. It's good to buy secondhand clothing and I think it's like super fun to like dig through people's clothes. So cool. Then I said this one last year and I actually accomplished this, but I'm the type to not like, I really don't like to make plans first with people. So my goal for this summer is to make plans first with someone at least once, because I don't know why, I just like am not the type to like reach out and go out of my way to be like, hey, like do you want to go to the mall? Because like that's just not me. I don't, people gotta come to me. So I just want to like go out of my comfort zone and like make plans first with someone. And then kind of like a tag team with that one is I want to hang out with someone different. I feel like I always hang out with like the same people. I just want to hang out with someone that like we're like kind of friends, but like only like school friends. But, like I want to make them like not a school friend. Like you feel? And then I am not a movie gal at all. At Allie, if you're watching this, you know. I hate movies, she loves movies. It's like, I don't know why we're friends, but like we are. So I just want to like go to the movies if they're open. I feel like movies are just like, they're kind of vibey. I just like cannot sit there and just like watch the screen for like 2.5 hours without wanting to literally die or go on my phone and have people yell at me. I'm that girl. If it's like an 8 o'clock movie, like I'll go because it's like already night. But like going to the movies during the day, I'm sorry, you're a loser if you do that, because that's like, you could be outside like running or like tanning or like something like that, but like you're at the movies, like, no. I also want to tie-dye clothes. I made a tie-dye set. Go watch the video if you want. I want to either make another tie-dye set or make like a tie-dye set out of like shorts and a tank top. And I live super close to the city, so I want to go for a nice little like New York City day, because it's only like an hour away, so like why not? And I really just don't go there enough considering how close I live, and I'm so lucky to live so close, but I just like don't go. But now that I can drive to the train station and we can like skirt off to the city. I want to go to another state. I play for a club softball team, so like we travel like to all the places all the time. So I know I'm gonna get this one done if the season is not canceled. If the season's canceled, I may not leave the state, which is kind of concerning. If I have my club softball season, I'll definitely check this one off. And last but not least, this is one I thought of like on the spot. I want to wash my car by hand, because now that we have a vehicle, I can wash my car, and I think it's fun to like just like wash it by hand, because like my parents growing up like never ever wash their car by hand. I don't even think we have like the proper like sponges or like soap. Like, do I use like dish soap? Like, I don't even know. Oh my god, I sound so privileged. Something in me is just like, you want to wash your car by hand and not pay like 20 bucks to get a wash. That's not how much it costs. I don't know. Yes, that is all for my summer bucket list. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe down below if you like what you saw. I'll see you guys next time I upload. Hags, have a good summer. Peace out.